How to switch to professional account in the Instagram. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram, and from here you have to click on this profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. Now from here you have to click on these three horizontal lines, and from here you have to go in the settings and the activity. Now you have to scroll down a little bit, and here is the option of the account type and the tools. You have to tap on it. Now here is the account type. You have to switch to your professional account, and you have to simply continue all of these options, and from here you have to select the display on the profile. And once you select all of these, you are able to change your account to your professional account. So this is how you can switch to your professional account in your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.